Hello, okay, so I'm gonna show you how you install the things you need to install to join this server, okay? So before we do anything, we're gonna go over to, we're literally just gonna type in Fabric Installer, okay? You're gonna click on that, and you're just gonna see this. Download for Windows, hopefully you are on Windows. And then once you've downloaded that, you're gonna get this, okay? And that, if it doesn't automatically go to your desktop, you just click up here and then go all the way down to downloads. It will be on here somewhere. Obviously you can see I've downloaded some other things. And then once you've got that, so what you're gonna do is go like that and then drag it over to your desktop, okay? Next, you're gonna go onto Modrinth. So we'll go from Modrinth. Okay, it's going to take you to this. Now we're going to click on here. You don't have to sign in or anything, that's completely fine. Just going to click over to mods. You're going to search Essential. It's going to be this one here by Spark Universe. You're going to click on that. Okay, you can ignore all of this basically. But what we're going to need you to do is when you press download, you're going to select the game version and it's going to be 1.21.8 and select platform is going to be Fabric. Once you've done that, you're going to click install and then it's going to do the same thing of going down to your downloads and you're going to do the same thing by putting it over onto your desktop. Then we're going to close that down. I'm going to click on Fabric Installer. I'm going to give it a minute. Right, okay, it's loaded up. Now here, it might not say 1.21.8, but obviously you can find all your different lists of versions. But that's one we want. Ignore all this, and then you're just going to click install, and it'll do that for you. It'll just say it's installed. Fantastic. Then you're going to launch Minecraft, okay? You're going to make sure you're on your Java over here. We'll do it full screen so you can see. Java. Installations, and then you're going to find one that says Fabric Loader 1.21.8. You're going to click on this installations folder here. Okay, and then we're going to minimize that for a second, bring this to the front. Now we want to bring the Essentials mod into here, okay? So to do that, you would drag it from your desktop like this, but you want the essentials. You don't have to do anything with this now because it's already been installed for you. That's it, you're done, okay? And then, once you've got it all installed, you can just press play. Now yours won't be called Live Series, but you can rename it if you would like to by clicking edit and then just changing the name there. Then we're gonna just hit play. It might take a bit of time to load and process. At the bottom you'll see it down here. Let's just full screen this. So see how it's waiting on install here? Because it's reloading. You can see it there preparing. Now this can take a few minutes, especially when you've just installed a mod. This is just loading for me, it takes a while. So we're gonna wait for this to load up for us. Okay, and then it's going to close down for you for a second while it loads it up. Okay, and when you load in, it should look different. In fact, it should look a little bit similar to the Bedrock screen, except we have all these new extra things over here. Now, you don't have to worry about making any worlds. You're going to just completely ignore that. The only thing you want to be interested in is the social tab. We're going to click friends. And here is where you'll see friend requests. Now, if you're coming from my Discord for the live series, then you'll get a request from me once you've been accepted. If you're just watching this as just a general tutorial, you will get a friend request, or you can send a friend request over here by just typing in the Minecraft username and then adding them as a friend. And then, so you are the person that is joining the host's server. The host will host it and then invite you. So you'll go on here and then you'll be invited through this. So I can host this, press all this, you know, set it all up, press next. I don't have any friends, but when I did, I'd press invite. You would then get a notification somewhere around here, or just on your social tab, to join. And if it's not there, you click on multiplayer. Yes, share my activity. You click on multiplayer, and you would see the server right here. Okay? And that's all you need to do. You don't have to install any of their mods, it comes with the mod pack. And if you do really want to, it does come with all these extra snazzy clothes and stuff that you can wear. I'm not going to though. And that is literally all you need to do. Some other nice stuff with this is you can switch your accounts if you have multiple. Really easily. You can switch skins in-game, stuff like that. It's a really great mod.